good to go. All right, today we are going to learn how to thread the sewing machine. You are going to make sure that you take your spool of thread and make sure that it is opening towards you, not from the back, from the front. Put it on, then you are going to find a little hook that is at the back of the sewing machine that is there, a thread take-up lever. Turn it around. You can get up to make sure that you go into the hook. So I'll let you know again that you do not put the thread through. You are not going to put the thread through, but you are actually going to just straighten the thread and in it goes. Take it out, turn your machine around, and then you are going to go through the thread guide. All through the thread guide, your aim is to form an N shape. So you are going to find, if this thread take-up lever is inside, you use your hand and the hand wheel to find that thread guide in a place that you can thread it. So you can see there is a free flow of an N, then there is a little thread guide there. I put the thread inside, and you need a scissors to, we need a scissors to cut this, so we'll stop a little bit.
It's okay.
Thank you. So you will make sure that you trim the thread, put the presser foot down, put the thread through the needle. You can see the thread has come through the needle. Put the foot up and then put the thread through that little slit cut on the foot panel. We'll make it another time as well. Bobbin and the bobbin case, you drop the bobbin into the bobbin case, bring the thread from the side of the slit into that little hole that is there. Hold this little flap that is there, open the bobbin cover. You are going to line this in that little gap that is there, and then you are going to hear the little click. If you don't hear that click, that means it is not in the right place. So you take it out, you wriggle it around, and you put it in again. Try aiming it so that it goes in that place. You are going to try bringing this thread up now. So you hold onto the top thread with your hand and the hand wheel on the side. So there is a hand wheel here. You're going to let the needle go in without using the foot pedal and find that thread. So I can pull that thread out. You can see there is a loop there. You use either your scissors or your quick unpicker to take it out of that hole, put it at the back, and you can trim it. If it is too long, you can start sewing. That's all you have to do.